Hello everyone, welcome back to another installation video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Hyundai Sonata. We're going to install a light smoke headlight tints for this vehicle. This is how it looks before the installation. So it's just a regular default headlight. And this is how it looks after the installation with the light smoke tint installed. So the tint will provide protection on the headlight from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any debris or any small scratches from damaging the headlight. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the headlight. So we're going to clean this piece of the headlight and then this trim as well, because this has light on it. Okay, so for this installation, you want to apply slip solution on the headlight and on the tint as well. You want to start off by aligning the tint to this side of the headlight first. So make sure it aligns to the edge. Once you have it aligned, lift the film, apply your tack solution on top and on the bottom of the film, and then start tacking down. With this one, it's a simple installation. All we're going to do is just tack this piece down. Make sure you remove any of the fingers that come up. Just squeegee down the fingers, and then we're just going to lift the film here just a bit up to the middle part where we didn't squeegee. You can start applying your tack solution, lay it flat, and then stretch it up to where it meets the edge here. And while you're stretching, make sure you stretch downward too, so it goes in line with the headlight too here. And then start removing, squeegeeing and removing the fingers. And just finish off tacking down the rest. And then just to finish it off and remove any small fingers that you might come across here around the edge, we're just going to apply tack solution again. And then with heat, we're going to start sealing the parts of the tint that's lifting. Now we move on to this piece here. So with this piece here, same steps, just apply your slip solution and then just start aligning it to the design of this piece of the headlight. Once you have it aligned, apply your tack solution and start tacking the piece down. And now we're just going to apply heat just to seal it so it doesn't peel over time. And that's it. So now we're just going to post heat this piece and this piece just to secure it in its place and it doesn't peel. So apply your tack solution and just post heat. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Hyundai Sonata. So it's a pretty simple installation. Just make sure you tack down one side and then just work your way. And same with this piece, just align it one side and then tack it down as you go. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give the video a like, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.